Hey guys, Isaac Matthews here at Nichols Marine Grand Lake. Quick overview of our 2025 Chaparral 30 Surf. Something you get with all of our Chaparral Surfs is the Malibu Surf Gates, forward-facing prop, and the center ballast bag. Another thing you get with the 30-foot Chaparral Surf is a 9-foot beam, equals more seating, more comfortable seating. You get Chaparral's massive swim platform and their patented Infinity power step. Swing back lounge seating. New for 2025 is the HTX power hardtop. Edge force board racks. Dual Simrads at the helm. Porta potty head unit. And then up here at the bow, you get the windlass anchor. Check out our website at nicholsmarine.com for all of our Chaparral inventory and more. And stop by our store today and check this one out.